And here we go. So today your boy will be replacing these old original OME 95 headlights with some brand new headlights. Let me show you what I'm talking about. These literally just came in today. I'm so happy they got here on time. So these are some black headlights, and I also have these turn signals, and I'll also be replacing the original bulbs with some nice LEDs because, you know, why not? Before I even start, I need you guys to do your boy a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And one thing I started to pay attention to is that 85% of you guys are not subscribed. Come on, man, that is no bueno. Support your boy and subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to get frequent updates of what's happening behind closed doors, and trust me, a lot of good things are happening, follow my Instagram and my Facebook group. Both links will be in the description. Now, let's move forward with the replacement. Removing these headlights is pretty easy. All you need is a 10mm socket and remove this bolt and that bolt from here. So let's get that out the way. Now that all the bolts are removed, make sure you have those bolts in a safe area so you don't lose them. Now we got that out the way. Now you need a screwdriver to remove this turn signal assembly. Done. Make sure you put it in a safe area so you don't lose it. Now that is out the way. Now we remove this just like that. So yeah, so you just disconnect this. Perfect. As you see here, there's another bulb that we have to remove, which is, if I'm not mistaken, is this one right here. Now that we got that bulb out the way, now what you want to do next is disconnect the wire from the bulb itself. You just push and pull. Boom. Now there should be another one. Not too sure you guys can see it, but I believe this is for the low beam right here. Push and pull down. Now that we got all the wires disconnected, now we should be able to move the headlight. So in order for you to remove this completely, there's always that one nut that's like very hidden. So this grill has to be removed. And how you do that? Well, you just remove the nut from the other side. Now that you got that out the way, make sure you put it in a safe place so you don't lose it. And this just comes right off. Ta-da! As you see there, right there. I'm not too sure if you guys can see it, but it's there. That bulb looks like a 10mm. That gotta go, so let me get that out the way. Now that we got this nut that was inside right here removed, I believe this one should be the last one. There we go. Put this in a safe place so we don't lose it. Now, be free. Okay, there we go. Here's the new headlights, and I want you guys to hear this. There we go. Beautiful. As you see here, these are your low beams, and we also got our high beams. Turn it counterclockwise. There we go. Replace this with the new one. Insert it, and then turn it clockwise. All right, so we're in from here. Cool. So your boy came across a little problem, and I kind of knew this from the beginning. You see that? These headlights are actually for the earlier Camrys from this generation. These came from the Camry. You can see it has this little like pointy side. This does not. So for me personally, it doesn't really bother me at all. What I could do to solve that issue is I could go to the junkyard, get the grill that was meant for these headlights, and replace the grill with this Camry. In order for these to fit properly on this Camry, I had to take this assembly off and put this into the new one. This is the upgraded headlights and with the assembly still on. As you see here, it's already inserted. You can see that bolt sticking out. However, it does not line up with the screws. And same goes for this. See, this See little hole? That is supposed to enter right here. And same goes for this one. This goes right here. But it does not fit. So to fix this issue, what I have to do is swap out this right here, this plaque assembly, with the original one. As you see here, my hands is dirty. I got a nice little cut and another one right there. And there she is, fellas. She is all ready. You know, I actually like the way how it looks. If you guys are wondering how it looks with the brand new LEDs, I got you right now. Here's the, I believe, the running lights, and here's the headlights. Let me look at this. Ooh, I'm digging it. One thing I noticed is that this thing right here, turns out this is actually the turn signal. So when I turn left or right, these things will come on. I'm looking for one that is all clear. So if you guys know where I can find them, just leave the link in the comments below and I will buy them right away. And I will show you a before and after photos, because I believe the front will look so much better if these were like clear. All right, fellas, I'm gonna let you guys go. But before you leave, make sure you slam that like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.